have an attachment for this, believe it.
Do you?
Yeah, look at this. Do living on a prayer.
And I shall return. Yay.
I shall be here. Hey,
What?
we left the thing open all night.
What?
The rip vent.
I knew I was gonna forget to close that some bitch.
Who is it?
Hello.
Hello. Look what I got. All kinds of shit. Look at this little fucker. You ever buy that? I don't remember buying that.
I think we got it from Temu for free or something. Okay, I'm gonna start on this end and work around this, so you're gonna have to move your ass when I get up there.
Hang on, baby.
Oh, this has to be screwed.
Oh. This is where all the wires went, huh? Wires and whatnot. Battery charger. And
Plunk.
anything else you want to beat me up.
Whoops.
That's it, lady. Hello.
Ah! I'm about a third of the way done.
Choice.
Yeah, I'm up to here, but I gotta do that smoky stuff yet.
Yeah.
Hey guys, glad you could make it today. Today is the day we finally get to start moving things into the camper. We're just moving in little by little. Hopefully we'll be out to the campground in about a week and a half. We're waiting for our solar panels. Ah. So now we're just moving some stuff in. Hopefully getting organized. I don't know where anything is going to go. We're testing the furnace and that is working really great. Oh, sporks. Sporks. Now it goes with the tablecloth. Try that in here. Oh no, another tablecloth. I think we're gonna have to throw this one away. Air spray should probably go in the car. In here. Water filters can go in the basket.
Are you talking to yourself right here?
No, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to everybody.
Oh. Hey, everybody! How's it? Warm in there?
Yes, sweltering in here.
You can turn it off. Oh, no, this is I need to burn that up. I was going to say turn it off. I need.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn it off and you leave, go when you leave.
Okay.
Something like that. Ooh, it is toasty in here.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where things are going to go.
Nobody knows.
I want to see if I can find a spot for this in the car. So we'll only use this when we go hiking anyway, so.
Is that the insulate one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I can zip the damn thing. Ah! Oh, well, come on! Hey, what do you know?
Got it.
Got it. Okay, and this stuff goes out in the car too.
I thought you and Dustin having a mother-son chat.
Why?
I don't know. It's not like you guys are having a chat out here.
Oh, you mean here, yeah. No, I'm just filming. I'll be back shortly.
Oh, you crossed the door off your list.
Okay, cool. Knock, knock.
Who is it?
Me.
I got her. Coming through.
Okay. Bring it back there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got a little rip on it, huh?
Oh, well.
Oh, you take that and flip it onto the back.
Yeah.
That way it won't get ripped no more.
I should sew it a little bit or just glue,
Yeah, glue it.
glue a piece of fabric on it.
That's the heater.
Yeah, when I take it out of the box, it'll take a little less room.
That's in case we get electric and we can save on our propane.
Oh,
Fan should be kept out somewhere.
should be charged. You can charge it.
I don't know, can you? Did you?
No.
Why wouldn't you?
So we gotta take this back home and charge it.
No, not really.
Unless I have Dusty charge it. Maybe it's charged.
Let's try it. It looks like it is.
It's charged.
The fan, but not the base.
There we go. You can blow right on us.
I guess. Good time.
I was hoping I could.
Do with that with what? Put that back up there with the other one fell apart?
No. I was hoping I could like put one here and one on that door.
For...
Or odds and
I
ends.
suppose you could.
It's a little too long. Or I'd have to cut it right. Cut this one off and then I could.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should work.
Glue it, sink it with the
Tiny little screws.
screws, yeah.
That's something I'll do once we get out at the lake.
Right above your head, one. I turned the heater up. Then you kicking in now. Maybe all gas finally?
Did you turn it on? I turned it off.
Did you? Oh! There we go. Run in! Get two of the same ends, dear. There you go. Take it back, get $2 back. You'll never know the difference.
I thought this thing, last one was all put together.
Doesn't it?
Apparently not.
Yeah, it does. I figured it. It's got to. That's what they were made to do.
Yeah, I know. Collapse it, dear.
Probably not. That one goes down there. Oh, you got ripped off.
So I have to take it apart every time?
Oh. I wish I,
Yeah, what the hell? It's supposed to be collapsible.
The only thing possible is this bottom here.
That sucks.
So, collapse it, put it away, then when we get the one, put it out, stand outside.
Yeah.
Or if we go and find one's got a $2 one that collapses like that, then we'll buy that.
Bunch of stuff in there until I figure out where everything's gonna go. Now we gotta go get another load.
Now?
Well, the furnace will probably keep it pretty warm, but we'll just go through
A lot of propane.
twice as much propane, yeah.
Then if we can't afford it, then we gotta hurry up and get a chubby down here. Because a chubby take me about 10 minutes to install.
Yeah, if we do get a wood stove, it's gonna go right here.
Yeah. Another box. So nobody can burn themselves and nothing will get burnt.
Right. And then we don't want it over there because that's where I'll be working and stuff. So we got a few more things we're gonna find a spot for, and that'll be about it for today. We have to bring our clothes and everything in, and when we actually move in, and hopefully that'll be by the end of next week. So next time we see you guys, we should be at the campsite or at least on our way. Well, it's gonna go right on this corner here. Ooh, that needs a clean in. Wow. Probably forgot about those tubs. Ugh.
I don't know if you say he's going to get the thing started or he's going to take a shit.
Oh. Huh. Okay, so we got our citronella. This is going to be my spice basket. I'm hoping that fits right back here. Yes, it does. All right. So for now, just got to pack things away.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that was jammed in the corner in there.
That's it, stove thing.
Cool. Found our stove bar. I'm going to put it in here too long. Okay, I don't want to put it in there if I jammed again.
Now you can cook outside.
Yeah. Definitely want to cook outside. Damn door.
Yeah.
Gotta get something to hold the door open. We got a good start on moving in. Now we just gotta wait a couple, 3 days before our solar panels get here so we can get those on, and as soon as we get those on we can head her out to the lake. So some of the jobs we got done, we took that big old air conditioner off and put in a nice simple vent. Another one of the jobs we had to do, we got this hole fixed here, and we put it, oh, wow. Well, that's supposed to twist out, so if we ever do want to install the diesel heater, we can put it right through there. And we are, oh, we got to put stabilizers on the front yet. Well, they got them bars there. Maybe that's why there's no stabilizers. Is it them bars?
But look underneath it. Because it passed through the from there. Yeah, still?
Oh yeah, we got room to put stabilizer jacks.
Now, if they're bigger than that, then I have to send them back.
Yeah, hopefully they don't stick out too much. Because for one reason or another, it didn't come with front stabilizers, so. Well, in case you're curious, guys, we picked out site number 10 to move into. That one was the most private. Beautiful views of the lake, kind of by itself, so seems to be the best. That seems to be the best one, so we just gotta hope it's empty when we go there, which it's early in the season, so more than likely it will be. Okay, well, hopefully next time we see you, we'll be at the lake. Thanks for joining us. Bye, guys.